Bonjour and good morning, innovation. This is Mr. Roussel, and today is Wednesday, September 23rd, 2020. Scholars, go ahead and stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. Repeat after me. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. You may be seated. On this day in history, in 1952, Rocky Marciano knocked out world heavyweight champion Jersey Joe Walcott in the 13th round and went on to be the only heavyweight champion in boxing history to retire without a defeat or draw as a professional boxer. As well, in 1925, the first commercial airline was developed by President Hoover. He believed in self-supporting commercial airlines in the United States could be created and an authority to oversee the industry with the help of federal funding. He also bought in the Postmaster General as Air Post would be an important part of helping the fledgling industry take off. He was pressing municipalities to provide local airports to help the new industry. Our quote of the day comes from Michael Jordan. Obstacles don't have to stop you. If you run into a wall, don't turn around and give up. Figure out how to climb it, go through it, or work around it. Important news for the week. As I reminded you yesterday, if you're failing one or more classes or have 5 or more absences, get ready to return in person. Phone calls will be made this week letting your families know if you haven't been completing assignments. As well, that Fun Friday celebration is continuing Friday. Shoutouts and shirts will be given, so please continue trying your very best. As I mentioned before, we have a lot of birthdays of the week. None today, but if you see any of the folks that on this list right now and they have a birthday this week, make sure you are giving them a very special happy birthday. Let's see what's going on in the cafeteria. Today's breakfast is a breakfast burrito, and lunch is an individual pizza with roasted cauliflower. Our core value of the week is sweating the small stuff. Make sure you're being careful in your work and in your choice of words. When you speak, write, or share, make it count by thinking deeply about what you know or want to know. Your intelligence is a gift. Show it off. If I don't always say it, guys, I want to make sure you know that I see you. I see the hard work that you're doing. Continue trying your very best, and I know you will succeed. Have a great day, innovation.